Hello guys, good evening. Good evening pero maliwanag pa sa labas kasi daylight savings. Ano ba yung dila ko? Nabubulol. So ayan, magluluto po tayo. Maaga ko umuwi ngayon. Sa bagay, ano na rin, 5 o'clock. Kasi nag-craving ako. Gusto kong magluto ng pinakbet. Kaya guys, gusto nyo ba yung pinakbet? So, hahaluan ko siya ng hipon. May hipon dito. Tapos, pork. So, ayan. Happy Saturday to all of you guys. So, ano ba to? Hindi masyado. Hindi matalim. Kailangan natin ano ba to? Ano yung tumalim? Ano ba magpatalim nito? Ayun, ito na lang. Kumusta kayong lahat, guys? So, ito na yung gagamitin ko. Isang kutsilyo. Gusto ko maliliit lang siya. Kasi ano siya. Laman ito. So, ang lulutuin ko ngayon guys, pinakbet. Tapos para sa hubby ko ay caldereta ng baka. So, magkaiba kami ng food. Dahil hindi siya kumakain ito. Kasi lutuin ko siya sa bagoong. Sino ba yun? Where did you go, my love?
Oh, I started walking and bloody diarrhea was still going.
Where? Oh, my love. Ay, ano. Where they went?
Oh, we went around past the station and around back around the park. Oh, it's done me in.
You said your
Yeah,
heart.
I've been suffering.
And then why did you go? You want to get sick?
I'm not, oh, shit. I'm not well. What can I do now?
Oh, where did you go?
What can I do?
Huh?
I did it and see what happened. I know what happened.
So I'm cooking now. So the food for tonight is pinakbet. Then my hubby's favorite caldereta. Then so tapon this one, love. We don't want this one, right? I will just include this one to make it yummy.
What the fat?
Yeah, to make it yummy, the food.
The fat's no good for you.
I will not eat the fat, just make it tasty. Where are they now? They talking with the neighbor.